2005 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop pickup. Only 38,971 miles on this one. Chevy's rendition of a modern street rod pickup, produced back in '05. Ricochet silver metallic. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Of course, '05 6-liter V8 underneath the hood of this one. That is paired up with a manual transmission, 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It will also come included with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, and you can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Where you can see over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Riding on the stock wheels, extreme contact Continental tires with less than 500 miles on them. There's some miscellaneous receipts, some recent service work done to this, AC condenser, cooling fan. So AC does blow cold. That was replaced in less than 500 miles ago, as well as those tires I mentioned, and battery, just 2 years old. So we look at the passenger side, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, chips, scratches. Paint's in nice shape. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract up to that 10-year extension. So again, check with your sales consultant. You'll be able to see pictures in the bed. There's actually a Lloyd's mat, bed mat in there, specifically made for the SSR, and you can also see SSR specific windscreen. Help out when the top is down. Retractable top works and functions as it should. We're going to run that up and down at the end of the video so you can see that. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Coming around to the driver's side, rear to the front. Again, you can see just really isn't much of anything for nicks, dings, or scratches. It's driven a few miles. You might find a little touch-up spot or maybe a little rock chip that's been touched up on the front. But looking it over, I have not seen anything that really stands out, any sort of major defects or anything like that. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Ebony leather bucket seats. And of course, your modern amenities that you're going to get. Power seats, both sides. Also heated here, as you can see. Bose stereo system, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, driver's information center with steering wheel controls, of course tilt and cruise, AM, FM, CD. Let's go ahead and start this up. We'll check out the exact miles, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. Exact miles, whoops, get the exact miles here. 38,971, there it is. Dash in nice shape. See the factory gauge cluster. Also working, of course, radio, everything in working order on this one. No warning indicator lights, anything like that. No check engine lights, no service lights. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice sounding, as it should. Again, that 6-liter V8 underneath the hood. Let me slip up to the front. I'll pop this hood. We'll check out that engine bay. We'll run this top up and down. Here's a look at the underside of the hood. You can see it does not appear to have been driven in any sort of inclement weather. It does have this sticker indicating. When you open and close this hood, don't use this front fascia piece. Want to pull it right here, open and close it. You lift it, open it over here on the side where it's sheet metal. There it is. 6-liter V8. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. All your monitored amenities, power steering, power brakes, and AC once again. Sounds good, looks good, great power plant. All right, let's go ahead and close this. And let me get a little assistance, and we'll show you this top going up and down. All right, so I have my lovely assistant Phil here, who happens to also be on the show Dirty Old Cars. You may be able to catch on a Saturday morning in its new time slot. So check that out. Phil's gonna get this top going up and down for us. And again, retractable hard top and power. You wanna have your foot on the brake when you go to push the button, and it'll do its thing, automatically locking once it's completely closed. There it is, completely closed, and we'll go ahead and put it back down, go the other way with it, see it work both directions. Pretty cool design how it all tucks in there, and with the push of a button. 2005 Chevrolet SSR, 38,971 miles. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. Remember, it will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included. All the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And don't forget about checking out Phil on Dirty Old Cars, new time slot, Saturday mornings.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Radio works great. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go see how she does on the road. Good acceleration. All our gauges appear to be working. Our temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. It's still warming up. Oil pressure is about 45. Under the dash we have a battery gauge reading over 14. Torque gauge, which moves with your throttle. Outside temperatures, you're on about 45 degrees. Perfectly smooth ride. I'm not feeling any vibrations. I let go of the steering wheel. She stays pretty straight. We've got wind taking me a little bit to the right, but the wind is crazy today, so I'd say it goes straight. These are fun little trucks. Power top works excellent. You put a motor in these like they have, they're quick, handles great in the corner here. Silver, in my opinion, good color for it. Really nice condition, 2005 SSR. Check it out at Unique Classic Cars.